All right, there we go. 4K, cut it short. My soles of my feet and pointing all the way up to my Achilles and towards my shins, they are burning. They are on fire, so definitely got something going on there. Anyway, I don't want to talk about that. What I want to talk about is just being grateful to be able to get out and have some fun. And it's funny, like when I wasn't able to run during having COVID, I was so frustrated, and all I wanted to do was get out and focus on the training plan. And then since I've obviously decided to not go ahead with the 50k due to training and not being able to keep up with it, obviously I've gained a lot of weight, I've lost motivation, I've lost any sense of consistency with running. It's crazy. It's just like the week before I got COVID, I almost did a PB half marathon, and that was crazy. It feels like it was just simple as, and now I'm doing out here doing 4Ks and struggling to stay afloat. But the beauty of this is stripping away all the focus on goals and all that jazz and just getting out and running has been just what I'm enjoying. Just getting back to the basics, getting back to just filming the run and not having to focus on the stats as much. And obviously at the moment I'm not doing as much running as I would like to be doing, but definitely feeling stuck between two areas of a love-hate relationship with running. But hey, it's great to be out. What I'm not enjoying is when I'm out running, being able to enjoy myself, but I can't because my mind's so focused on, you know, the different pains and noggles and things that I'm feeling in the feet. So, but what I wanted to really share with you was, this is life. There will be ups, there will be downs, and I'm talking to myself here, but sharing it back to you because I figured, you know, we can all benefit from this. You're gonna have peaks, you're gonna have lows, and it's crazy because I was peaking with my performance, you know, about 3 months ago with running. Now the running is like off the plate, but other areas in my life are peaking. Like I'm doing super well with the business, getting more time back into my pocket. I've got a more sense of freedom, and you know, obviously I'll have to offset the running with other things, but building that into the lifestyle and not letting it take hold of me is the key. So my message to you is, if you feel down because something is not going well for you, make sure you look around in the border of your ecosystem of your lifestyle and things that you're doing and see what is going well, because it's not all that bad. And if you are feeling that one area of your life isn't going well, focus on areas where you can do well and make the most of it. So that's my little rant for today. Not too bad of a run. Let's get inside. It's raining and I'm out here running, enjoying myself, so I'm a happy man. Appreciate you. Cheers.